At the time of sales, in which month, which sales are going on, which sales are high, which sales are low. They use it to do always the analysis can be done. Okay. Dishwashers, dishwashers came into the picture even 10 years back. 10 years back onwards, some dishwashers are there. But sales suddenly increased. When these increased? At the time of Corona. No homemades. We closed, right? Everyone buying the dishwashers. Before that, those many dishwashers are, please go. Dishwashers were not sale. Okay. So, based on the situations, it is going on. In festival season, mostly what will happen? Cloth. People will buy the cloth. But in normal season, it won't happen that much. So based on the data, by extracting the data, so extraction also will be there in the data science. And also by extracting the data for future prediction, meaningful prediction. Yes, last Diwali, this much sales happened. This time, based on the day, same thing will happen? No. So many other predictions also may be there because population is increasing. Simultaneously, side by side, another shop also coming. Based on all those things, meaningful insight has to be there. Right. For that purpose, this data scientist has to do. But so meaningful insight. And also, you can ask, this analysis is going on from long time. But what is the meaning of data science again? Right? This analysis is going on. But with help of me, this data science, what we can do extra means for future purpose, we can take action now itself. Future exactly what is going to happen. But even any project, 92% of accuracy, 95% of accuracy will come in the data science projects. Okay. But no data science project will predict the future accurately 100%. Yesterday, I have seen one small example where based on the height, what will be the weight. But it is exactly the data, but data never be like that. Okay, so such type of data never be there. Based on different things, different parameters, number of parameters will be there, number of results will be there. So that what will happen? Accuracy is always 95 to 96%. If the project is successful, means it is giving more than 90% of prediction, it is good. We got success. But most of the times, even today, most of the times, data science projects are failing within companies because still perfect data scientists are not there. Data scientists are not there in the market. So data science projects are failing. But subject is good. But subject experts are not there. So that they are searching. So people may say, job market is not good. Jobs are not there. But even yesterday also I said regarding myself, right? At the time of recession also I got 4 offers. The thing is that job market is not there means they are closing their shutters. No. They are taking the experts only. But if of course there are number of projects are more, what will happen? Okay. In 10 people, 2-3 people are, even if they are able to do the assistance to the experts, that also can be taken. That person also can be taken if the market is good. If market is not good, experts can be taken. Who is not having that much of expertise, they won't take. That is the only difference. But they are not closing the companies. Projects are there, companies are going on. But what will happen? Number of people, reduction of number of people will be there. If in project, if 10 people are there, only with help of 7 people, they will handle it. But we need to think are we in 3 people, outside 3 people, or inside 7 people? That is the only difference. But it is not good means all the software engineers are roaming on roads. No, no, going on happening, right? So because uh, you need not to get any disappointment, as it is a demonstration class. Just I am explaining these things also. And also yesterday I did not explain exactly what I am going to give in the total session in 4 months of course. What you are going to get. Yesterday I did not explain. So today I am going to explain even that also. Let us start. So today also so many people came newly. So I have to give some yesterday session also. What is the data science? But we can go little bit further, 2 steps back, 1 step forward. Right? Is it okay? Okay. You all are graduates of BTech, I think mostly. What about you? Working as a?
I'm working here as a mentor.
Okay, here only. Okay, okay. You're not here for this thing. Okay, okay. Good, good. You are staff of Naresh, I think. You people, please. You completed your graduations. Yesterday you came, I think, right? Okay, right. You can go ahead. This is the introduction to data science. It is a multidisciplinary subject. After completion of this introduction part and little bit statistics, we can go ahead and what all the things we are going to learn in this 4 months, we can explain. Okay. Right. So it combines principles and also what practices from fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and also computer science to analyze large amount of data. So these many subjects are included in the data science. Data science is not a single subject. Even yesterday also I explained data science is not at all a new subject even. It is a very old subject. The thing is that previously people used to go and collect the data manually. Manually they have to go and collect the data. But the thing is that now data is available freely in the internet. So simply we can take the data, we can extract the data from somewhere, and also Oracle is there. Okay, because manually we have to write the data on paper means it will be very difficult. But in that previously research scholars used to go and collect the data on paper. Okay, but they have to analyze with all the tests. Okay, ANOVA test and chi-square test, such type of t test, what all the tests and mean, median, mode also we have to calculate. Okay, but now because of this computer science came into the picture, programs are there. Simply we can take the data, simply we can give the data to the program so that it will calculate everything whatever we want, mean, median, mode at a time. Is it there any how the data is there? Simply we can visualize. Okay, in which month sales are high, which month sales are low, in that way. And also, what will happen? Artificial intelligence also included. Data science is a very big. Data science is big, but artificial intelligence is very small part. It is a sub part of the data science. Let me show even yesterday's thing also. Yeah, these many subjects are there in the data science. Guys, this is only for the okay, it's okay. Are you able to see? So how many combinations? Data science is the middle one. Means altogether we can say mathematics and statistics also will be there, and also domain and business, because data science is not a particular subject. We can implement the data science applications to the different fields. In medical field also we can add it. Okay, we can take the applications in medical field. Lot of in medical field only actually, and also in business, any other business, anywhere we can utilize the data science. And also software development. We need software because this much of big data we can't handle manually. So software also required, and computer science, and also machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but yesterday I have shown to you main difference between the machine learning and other things are this is what guys yesterday guys, don't feel bored. For new students it is required. In traditional programming, what will happen? Data will be given as well as program also will be given. What to do with the data also we have to say to the computer, so that computer will do output it is going to do. Output can be given by the computer by taking data as well as a program. What to do? I have given the data as a 2 and 5. With 2 and 5, what to do? Subtraction or addition? We have to say subtraction or addition program also I have to give. If we give the subtraction as a program, 5 minus 2, 3. If we give an addition program, okay, what are the numbers? It will add and it will give. But in machine learning, it is completely different. In reverse, data will be given as well as output also given. Data and output both will be given. Program will be arranged with help of computer. With help of the data and output, computer will generate the program. That program can be taken, can be utilized for the another data in business applications. That is the main difference. And one small example also I have seen yesterday. This is the thing. What is this? Height in centimeters, weight in kgs. Okay. A person who is having the height of 169 centimeters, how many kgs are there? 69 kgs are there. This is the correct data, means not correct data, exactly it has to be there. Then our weight will be always correct. Okay. You can go and check your weight and height. If you are in the same manner, you are correct weight. You have to maintain this way always. Okay. So 169, 69. 173 height person, 73. But like that, I have given the data up to here. Means this is the data, this is the output. Data as well as output I have given. Then what happened? If 172 is there, how much has to be built? 72. How I have calculated? Based on the previous data. But what program I have done? That program will be given. That is nothing but a machine learning algorithm. See, height minus 100. Height minus 100 equal to 8. This is the program. We don't have the program. Computer generated this program. This is nothing but one algorithm. This algorithm, how it came? With help of previous data. With help of data as well as output. What is the relationship between the data and output? It calculated. Finally, it has given this height minus 100 is weight. So that this data we have calculated. In the same way, this machine learning algorithm can be utilized wherever we want. In machine learning, nothing is there more than this. This is only happening. But then what we are going to learn in 4 months? If it is this much of simple, means data never be like this. Fine. And also, here only one parameter. Age we have not taken any consideration. Lot many things has to be. Age is main factor. Age also will factor. So different parameters will come. Even with all the data, with all the parameters also, finally we have to finalize one algorithm. This is modeling. Machine learning algorithm can be done. Okay. So how the data is there? This regarding analysis of this data, we need statistics. We need statistics. Yesterday I came to know no one is having the good idea about statistics. Even basics also you may not know. Yesterday I came to know by my questions. Anyone knows anything, please let me know. If you don't know also, I will teach from basics. Even 8th standard statistics also I am going to teach. Yesterday itself I told I am passionate about teaching. I am happy to feel. I feel very happy to teach the statistics of 8th class also, no worry. But please let me know. Because if I think you are already, you know the main median mode, I need not to tell. That will be more difficult for you people in future. Okay. So let us stop this. So we can go to statistics, a basic statistics and also basic Python. How the Python is easy. Yesterday only I told. But how easy? How much easy also I am going to explain today. So in data science, all the things will be there. Means mathematics also will be there and statistics also will be there. Then what is the statistics? What is the statistics? Just to read the definition. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing and analyzing the data. Collection also will be there. Okay. And organizing. Without keeping organized manner, we can't organize. A simple organization, please tell me. Organizing means what is that? Descending order or else ascending order. This is one way of organizing. But n number of different ways also we can organize the data. Okay. In such a way, we have to organize. In what way we are organizing the data, how to organize the data, all comes into the statistics. Okay, collection, after that organizing, after organizing only we have to analyze. These all those things will come. Then what is the data? Anything is the data. Your name also one data. Your age is one data. It's a one fact, right? Any fact, any information. But data is little different from information. What is information and what is data? Someone please. I told yesterday itself it will be more interactive session. If it is interactive, you can understand more. Okay. Information and data. Yeah, information is a perfect to utilize. You can utilize the information. But raw data, you all are given some your names and phone numbers and all those things while coming into inside. Okay, that is raw data. By organizing, by analyzing, we can take some information. What information we can get? Okay, data science. Whoever interested in data science means most of the people are from BTech graduates, or most of the people are from CA. Such type of information can be extracted from the data. That is the raw data, whatever you have given. With after analysis, some information can be extracted from the data. That is information. Okay, right. And height of students in the class. This is also one data, right? Anything can be data. Types of data. Two types of statistics, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Yesterday I explained descriptive statistics and inferential statistics means it is a very small part actually. These histograms and box plot, these things you don't worry. Now I am not going to explain these things because after completion of something, I am going to explain these things. But what is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics? Only this can be. What is the population? Do you know population? Difference between the population and sample we can take. First, we need to know. This is total classroom. This is our classroom. Just say How many people are there? Nearly 40 persons are there, right? Okay. Total 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40 persons. From 40 people, if I have taken any calculation on this population, total population, that is a descriptive statistic. Okay. By taking sample, just for sample, we use it to say. It's a very simple word, right? Sample is a very simple word. Sample, one person, here one person, here two persons, here one more person. Only by taking 4 persons out of 40, only 4 persons have taken and analyzed it. This is an inferential statistic. But what is the need of taking this only 4 persons? Based on these people opinions, based on these people, 4 people opinions, we can infer. That's what actually inferential statistics we are saying. We are infer the same thing to the, we can apply the same thing to the 40 people. That is the descriptive statistics. So it is inferential statistics are only on 4, but total 40 people, that is a population, nothing but this is descriptive statistics. A good example is exit polls and exact polls. How can be taken? In one constituency, nearly 1 lakh people will be there, 1 lakh voters will be there. From 1 lakh only they used to take opinions from 1,000 people. 1,000 people or maybe 10,000 people. But exactly there are 1 lakh people are there. Based on these people opinion, they will give the exit polls. Tomorrow this party is going to win before election, before results day. That next day exact poll will come. This exit poll may be true, may not be true, that is different story. But because here what happened last time means this, no one want to tell their opinion perfectly. Because whoever comes, yes, I am going to give the vote. Okay. Neutrally, no one told. That's what actually last time it happened. But other than voting and other than these political parties, everyone give exact things, right? Okay. A person used to go to doctor. Okay. Oh, for BP patients are there. Okay. What is your habits? Drinking, smoking, all together, he used to take the information. Okay. By taking the information from 100 people, okay, whoever having the smoking habit are getting the BP, high BP, supposedly. So he can infer the same statistics to the total population. That's what it is happening, right? So that is always correct. But these opinion polls, no one will say exactly. Okay, last time it is proved. Okay. So this is the inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. These are very basic things in statistics. You need to know these things because even in data science interviews, most of the times, statisticians also came into the picture. If the statistician came for your interview, he used to ask only statistics questions. This is also happening. Okay, so you should know this. These are not at all difficult things. Okay. Okay, sampling techniques. How to take the sampling? Sampling techniques means what just now I told. Out of 1 lakh people, we have to take 1,000 people. But which 1,000 people? If we go to one village, 1,000 people will be there. In one constituency, nearly 100 villages will be there. If we go to one village, 100 people or 1,000 people will be there, 1,000 voters will be there. Can we take the same 1,000 people and we can infer? No, it is not at all correct. Because one village people are only like-minded most of the time. Not exactly like-minded, but in city people in different manner. Village people in different, they will think in different way. So how to take the sample? This is the important one. So last time exit polls are completely wrong because they have not taken perfect sampling. Sampling is wrong way. All uneducated, if we go for uneducated, they will say one thing, whoever give the free, I will vote. That's it. If we go to educated, what will they? They say, no, whoever do the developments, we will vote to. So mixture of people who have to take. In sampling technique, what to do? Mixture of sampling. So different sampling techniques we have to utilize. Directly we have to take from 1 lakh people who are there, so 1000 people I have to select means it will be wrong. So only whoever. So how much people? How many types of people are there? Students. You all are having the vote, right? Okay. So student wise, elders, senior citizens, educated, uneducated, women, men. These many ways are there. So from all the people, one person will have to take 1 or 2%. This is a sampling technique. So for that purpose, different sampling technique. Simple random sampling. Every member of population. What is the population? Population is denoted by big N. N, capital N is population. For total population means here what is the N? 40 is N equal to 40. Small n, we have taken only 4 people as a sample, then small n is 4. This capital N and small n, you should not get confused. Because in average, at the time of taking average also will be differs. Capital N and small n. This is population. So, what is the random? Random sampling. Every member of population n has equal chance to get. Suddenly, by closing their eyes, just voice. I am picking one sample. Here one picking. Randomly I send. That is also can be cut sometimes. But not from. Just if it is a classroom, I can go by closing my eyes. How taken some sample. That's all. In one constantly has to go. Whenever he want to stop his car, he a sample taking person can stop his car. Okay. In this village, 2%. Whoever. In another village, another 2%. Like that, he can go. That is random sampling technique. It is also one thing. And stratified sampling. Stratified sampling, where the population N is split into non-overlapping groups. Non-overlapping groups means men and women, non-overlapping groups. A man cannot be woman, a woman cannot be man. Overlapping groups are educated and businessmen. Businessman educated. Overlapping or non-overlapping? Overlapping. A educated can be a businessman. A businessman can be educated always. This is overlapping. But non-overlapping groups. Student, married, unmarried, women and men. Like that, we have to take different groups. From each and every group, again we can go for random sampling. From women random sampling, from men random sampling,